In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add or embed a Google Maps location to your Framer website. This looks like this. People can interact with it. They can see your location. They can see your reviews. Here's how you do it. Okay, so once you're on Framer, you need to first go ahead and open up Google Maps in a new tab. So here I am inside of Maps. Now I've gone ahead and found my business, or let's just say this is my business for the video. I found it on Google Maps, right? Now you can obviously click on it. You need this preview window, and from this business window, you can then go share. Then you need to go embed a map, and then just choose medium. It'll be the default. Then you can copy HTML. Now, once you've got this copied, head over to your Framer website. Inside here, we're in the editor. I'm assuming you know how to get here. So go to insert in the top left-hand corner, and then what you can do a search for embed, and then you're looking here for this embed icon. Go ahead and click on that and it will open up an embed window. Once you've got that selected, if you go to the right, you want to look for HTML. Click that and then paste in your HTML code from Google Maps. Click enter. Not sure why we've got two, but we can fix that. I'm going to hold space and we're going to move so we can see both the website and the map, and then we can drag it in place. Then we can publish it, update, and let's open this. And here you can see the Google Maps has been added.